And we're back for round 2.
Yeah!
Always wear mouth protection. So, coil packs and what? Spark plugs?
Yeah.
Unnecessary spark plugs.
Sorry, man. Listen, you live and you learn, alright?
We're just gonna set up the GoPro and then we're gonna do a little how-to on coil packs and spark plugs on, what year is this thing?
2008.
Yeah, 08 Santa Fe. You gotta take the intake off, so it's kind of annoying, and just do a little how-to on it.
Bonjour. You stupid. We're off to a good start today, guys.
Alright, how-to on a 2008 Hyundai Santa Fe.
You gotta take this off. 6 bolts. Well, I only have 5.
One of them's broken.
And a couple, they're all different.
So you got 2 cap nuts. That one's not a cap nut, just a normal nut. Was a cap nut.
Yep.
A bolt, a cap nut, broken.
Yeah.
Yours is probably broken too.
If not, I'm jealous.
Alright, bolts are out.
You take it off like this. Look at that.
Okay, so now we've exposed the rat's nest.
I can't push. It was not this hard last time.
Yeah, you do have to pull the front up. Okay.
You don't know why it wasn't
Next.
this hard last time? No, we did have to do that. But
Yeah.
no.
So just keep doing it.
Okay.
And then you got 10 mil bolt, 10 mil bolt, 10 mil bolt, and a 10 mil bolt, and a 10 mil bolt.
Say it again for the people in the back.
A 10 mil bolt. Alright, front ones are done. For the rear ones, it's a bit of a process. You gotta take the intake manifold apart. 10 mil, 10 mil, 10 mil?
Yeah.
Back here? No, I think back here is like a 14 or something. I'll see if I can get a good shot of that. Gotta take this off, gotta take the intake boot off. We had to take the throttle body off last time we did it. That's why there's some goop, some orange RTV stuff in there. Gotta take that hose off. I believe this has to come out.
Yep.
And these. And this hose, I think. No, not that hose. No, that one just comes off there. Yeah. So it's a bit of a process, but it's actually not too bad. You're doing all that work just to get to 1, I believe, 2, 3, 4, and 5 bolts to take the whole intake off.
Yeah.
And then you just do that, and then you reverse it, and then it's all good.
Put it in reverse, Terry. Back up, Terry. What you doing? That's my favorite. I don't even care. I'll fire it already.
Okay, intake is off. All this, we did have to loosen this. The whole reason we didn't take the throttle body hoses off is because that way we don't have to mess with the cooling system, because those are the coolant hoses. So instead, we just took the throttle body off itself and just moved it off to the side. And then there's the bolts. There was a little bit of oil on the gasket for whatever reason, but we think it was the same. I don't remember.
If it wasn't, it's a problem for the future.
Either way, we just wiped it off. And then that exposes the back coil packs. So now we take those off, change the spark plugs, change the coil packs. And then, yeah. If you guys are really anal, you can stuff some shop rags in there, but meh. His motor's not that dirty. Yeah, so now we're going to throw the plugs in, we'll throw the coil packs on, and we'll do the opposite of the removal. And then that way, the spark plugs will be done. It's a little complicated. It's a little time consuming.
For the second time.
But if you are new to cars, you can do this.
So there's probably going to be a time lapse in this video of like the whole process. Sorry if it's mainly just the back of our heads.
Okay. So everything is back together. Gasket is RTV'd. All the nuts are back on. The clips back on. All the brackets. Everything. There, back there, back there. This toe bracket, or engine hoist bracket thingy. That. The two underneath. These four. Everything bueno. You should probably start it.
Except for the boot. I didn't put the boot on.
We probably should. Yeah, so that's why it wasn't going on, because this was directly against the bolt because of how far down that was.
See, I did it the easy way last time and actually took the top of the box off.
So just do it. It's just like 4 clips.
Yeah. Yes, Dad. 3 clips.
Hey, look at that.
It's 3 clips.
Look at that. Nah, just leave that.
Yeah, but it's gonna still be.
No. It'll be
Pain
all
in
right.
my bum. I'm still doing it the wrong way, but hey, it's your boy. What?
It's not in all the way.
I know.
Okay.
Make sure I get that. Now it's in all the way.
Catch you outside. Okay, so that is all done. Now we're gonna do an oil change. Ask us how.
Right. Buy the right tools. That's all I'm gonna say.
Zoomed in on your lips.
You like that? That do you like?
It's not even so much about the tools. It's just like, that thing is tight.
Oh yeah, dude.
Stupidly tight.
GoPro, stop recording.
Yeah, you yell at your child.